Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a guaranteedleads.io review. And today we're going to talk about this automated lead hub that's going to allow you to get unlimited leads to your business. It's going to allow you to generate traffic, and this traffic is going to be targeted to your audience. Now, this opportunity is basically for those who are looking for leads for network marketing, affiliate marketing, or multi-level marketing businesses. And what they're going to do is give you a hub, a back office that's going to allow you to see what they have to offer to you and allow you to choose the different traffic streams that you want to use to run traffic consistently to your business without breaking the bank. Now, the reason why I emphasize the breaking the bank part is because most traffic is extremely expensive, or a lot of times people use traffic that doesn't convert. And this is the reason why a lot of businesses fail, because if you have a business and you don't have traffic, you're not able to stay afloat, and ultimately you move on to another opportunity, or you just stop promoting altogether. So what we want to do is choose the traffic source that fits what we need or the way that we like to promote. Now, with guaranteed leads, they're going to give you different streams of targeted leads, which means they're not going to all be a part of, email marketing or social media or SMS text messaging. You're going to have a selection of different marketing methods that you can use so that you can start generating traffic on a consistent basis. So these leads are targeted. They are leads that are looking for a work from home opportunity or an online opportunity, and more than likely, they are struggling to get leads. They're struggling to earn income consistently. So this would be the perfect opportunity for that person to start generating leads for their business. Now, if you don't have a business, you can use guaranteed leads as your primary business and promote this opportunity as not only a traffic source or a place to get traffic, but a traffic source and a business at the same time. So you're going to be able to scale this by choosing either voicemail messaging, email messaging, or text SMS messaging. And these are going to allow you to connect with leads on autopilot. You're going to automate the systems that they have for you. You can choose one or two. It's really up to you. And once you set it up once, it's going to generate leads on a consistent basis, promoting your opportunity. Now, one of the things I want to address is that you can promote more than one opportunity if you decide to do so to these targeted leads. You do not need to focus on one business opportunity to market. If you have maybe 2 or 3 businesses, you can strategize to use this system to promote the businesses that you currently have. If you decide to promote guaranteedleads.io, you're going to receive $75 for each person that joins this opportunity. Now, these payments are going to come to you directly, instant payments using Cash App, Venmo, or Zelle. And they also have Stripe and Authorize.net available as well. And just by coming in and paying $125 one time, it's going to allow you to collect unlimited $75 payments. Now, with the system, there are no upsells. When you get into your back office, they are going to offer you other streams of income, but it is not necessary in order for you to start utilizing the traffic that they have for you. It's optional. Okay. So again, if you are interested, you want to get started, you can click on the description below. It's going to take you to the sales video, which is what you want to watch, because this is going to tell you all about the system, how to take this business to the next level, and how to leverage this opportunity when you get started. Now, once you decide to get started, you are going to get an email that looks like this. The email is just going to say, welcome to the team. Thank you for joining. it's going to say, basically this is a solution to help you get more leads and follow up, because they also believe in follow up, which is very important. Sometimes people need to see your opportunity 7 to 12 times before they make a buying decision. They have the follow up also available in the system, so that once you start sending out these leads, you're able to follow up with your leads consistently. Now, if you already have an autoresponder or a way to follow up with your leads, you don't need to worry about that part. You can just focus on the traffic. So it says here, we're certain that we can help you to bring in more results. However, there's one more thing that you need to do. You're going to pay the admin, which is the company, $50, and you're going to pay your inviter/sponsor $75. Now, once you do that, you're going to then, once you finish paying them, you're going to log in. You're going to get a username and password. This username and password is going to log you directly into your back office. Okay, so you're going to use that login information is going to be right here at the bottom of this email. I'm not going to show you guys my login, but that's where it's at. And then once you hit this login button, it's going to tell you exactly what to do. So there is a video that's going to be a step-by-step video of setting up your system, a welcome video to tell you what it's all about. Picks and shovels you really don't need unless you're looking for multiple streams of income. This is optional. And you're going to also get your link and your capture pages that you can use to promote this opportunity. I highly recommend taking everyone to a capture page unless you are dealing with warm traffic that already know you. If it's cold traffic, you want to capture their information and then take them to the sales page, okay? You're going to know how many people are viewing your sales page, how many contacts, how many emails were sent. This I don't use because I already have my own autoresponder. If you don't have an autoresponder, you can use theirs, which is built right into the system. Okay, so you can also put here your recommended business opportunity if you have another opportunity that you want to promote, and they have support. So if you need help with anything, you're going to be able to reach out and someone will get back to you, answer your questions. Here you'll have the capture page that you're using. This is the one that I chose, which is the take action and send $75. You don't have to use that one. They have other options in the back office that you can choose from. And then your primary capture, your sales page will look like this. And again, the sales page is this, which just tells you all about the program, what you're going to receive, how you can use this system to generate more traffic, and basically how it's going to solve the problems that you may have in this industry when it comes to traffic generation or getting targeted leads. Okay, so that's basically how this works. This is a hub that's going to allow you to pretty much take your business to the next level. You're going to be able to learn some things because they do have some mindset stuff in the back office, and they have marketing material as well. So not only are they going to give you leads, you're paying for basically all of the information that you will need to be successful, whether you're using email marketing, social media, solo ads, paid or free traffic. They touch on everything. And I love the fact that the sales page is very clean. It's straight to the point. It tells you exactly what you get for $125. And not only that, it goes into detail with the video and have frequently asked questions. So this here is what exactly is Guaranteed Leads. It's a collection of some of the best automated lead and communication tools in the home business industry based on 15 years of full-time experience. Not only can you use these third-party tools to help explode any business, but you can also earn affiliate commissions if you decide to promote Guaranteed Leads as well. How do I make money with Guaranteed Leads? It's an affiliate opportunity. You're going to get $75 instantly sent to you on every person that joins under your link. You can also leverage overrides from your team because they have a one-up compensation plan. And lastly, you can earn affiliate commissions from any of the picks and shovels your referrals purchase from the back office. Okay, this is a one-time $125 investment that will allow you to earn over and over again. But not only that, the information and traffic generation opportunities that you're going to receive is worth way more than $125. What is the total cost? Are there any monthly fees? It's $125. There are no monthly fees. There are some tools back there that if you are a part of, you will have to pay a fee, but these are optional. It's not required. A lot of people, like I said, they have their own thing going on. They have their own businesses, autoresponders. If you have that, you don't need any of the tools that's back there. And can you explain the picks and shovels reference, which is, there's a quick video when you log into your back office about picks and shovels. But during the California golden rush of the 1800s, the people who got richest were not the gold miners themselves, but the vendors selling picks and shovels, the tools. This hasn't changed. So with guaranteed leads, it's literally a collection of tools and resources to help you promote and automate any business and earn from any of your referrals who also purchase the tools. So this is going to allow you to have multiple streams of income built within a system for those who decide to get involved with any of the picks and shovels. It says, I never had success online and I'm not technical. Can I use this? Yes. That's really the point of the system, to level the playing field of knowledge and to automate and outsource as much as possible to the professionals. With guaranteed leads, you're going to utilize mostly done-for-you solutions so anyone can get results. If you can order a campaign from the back office, you can succeed. And with the guarantees, there are no guarantees. You are going to earn based off of your efforts, your skill sets, and how much you put into the system. So if you are a type of person that jump around from one program to the next, this may not be the program for you. If you can stay consistent using the traffic and promoting this opportunity or promoting your business opportunity consistently using the traffic sources that they give you, you can see success with this program. It's really up to you and how you work the business. So I just want to give you guys that information. I hope that this has educated some people on how to get started, what's included, and how this can really help you to start generating leads. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Have a great day.